Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video I will show you how to download and install the Showmax app to your Hisense smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Hisense Vida smart TV, here's what to do to install the Showmax app. The first you have to do is to go over to your Hisense smart TV and make sure that the application is not installed. If you don't see the application installed, then go over to your app store, and this is what you should do once you go over to your app store. Now, once you're here, you can browse through the apps to try to search the apps manually, or you can just go straight away to the search button and type in the name application, which in this case is the Showmax app. So we're going to come over here and type in Showmax app. That's the app we're looking for to be installed to our Hisense Vida Smart TV Showmax. So here is it. Once I type it, I'm just going to go ahead and search. Once I search, here's the application I'm looking for, Showmax, and I'll just click on it and you see more information about the app here. And what you can do is just click on install, and the application should install straight away to your Hisense Smart TV. And here is it, it is installed. Now you can go ahead and launch the application just by clicking on it once, and that's how to install this simple application to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this.